Hey guys, and today we are going to be showing the Christmas update on Build-A-Boat. Now, I don't think I ever been to a Christmas update in Build-A-Boat. I think I don't. But the update is quite nice. And I think last that I remember it came out yesterday. And I played it for a while. Well, it was just a while. And I got broke that I bought too many toy blocks, a snowball launcher, and this. And now, I also played the new quest. Thanks to Miko for reminding me about the new quest. And we both defeated it. And now we got this new, what is it called again? Oh yeah, a harpoon. And we kind of did this quest invasion. And now, how many toy blocks do I have? I have 4,000, I think. Yep, 4,600. Now this is it's so cool that I finally got this block. I've been wanting this block forever, and it returned to the shop. And the snowball launcher should be around here. Yep, I bought 5 of them. I think that's how many I would need. Wait. There's only 14. There's only 25. Pew, 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 pew. Oh. Well, that's gone. And the harpoon, I forgot this harpoon had 2 sides, the other for there. So I'm kind of stuck. So that harpoon has 2 sides. Another harpoon to add to my collection of harpoons. Like, that's the harpoons I have. I thought I had 4, but guess not. What else do I have? Oh yeah, I have the wheels. Where is those wheels? The wheels should be here somewhere. And I do not see. I have these wheels. I have this kind of wheel. I have the giant wheel. Oh no. I have this giant wheel and I have to move it. Okay, you gotta move that wheel. And last but not least, I said last but not least, whatever that is. And those are the wheels I have. Wait, is it? Yep, those are the wheels that I have. I have the jetpack, fly away, and I just realized there's snowflakes. And guys, can you guys say what are the gingerbreads doing around? Are they just NPCs that come out their homes or something? Please comment it and I will finally know what are they doing. Because every time we play it, me and Miko keep grabbing them. And what else is about this update? I have no idea what else. Oh yeah. There's still stuff. And yeah. I think that's it for today's video, guys. If you want more of Build-A-Boat, then make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and you will never miss a Build-A-Boat video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.